Hey friends, I'm Pramila and welcome to my channel, The Inquisitive Cook. So today we will learn how to make मूंग दाल की कचौरी. Let's start guys. हमने यहाँ एक कढ़ाई ली है, उसमें एक बाउल हमने मूंग दाल डाली है. अब इस दाल को हम ड्राई रोस्ट करेंगे 1 से 2 मिनट के लिए मीडियम फ्लेम पर. दाल को अच्छे से ड्राई रोस्ट करना है जब तक उसका कलर लाइट ब्राउन ना हो जाए. Now let's make the dough for the kachori. Take a large mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of wheat flour. You can also use maida, but मैं यहाँ गेहूं का आटा यूज कर रही हूँ. And then we will add 2 tablespoons of suji. We will mix them well. हाफ टी स्पून कैरम सीड्स अजवाइन हमें डालना है. देन हाफ टी स्पून सॉल्ट, नमक यू कैन यूज एज पर योर टेस्ट. एंड अ पिंच ऑफ एसोफोटीडा, दैट इज हींग जिसको बोलते हैं हम. एंड वी विल ऐड 2 tablespoons ऑफ ऑयल. Then we will mix everything well. And now we will add water little by little. And knead well till you form a smooth and soft dough. हमने आटा बना लिया है और अब थोड़ा सा 1 टीस्पून ऑयल लेना है और आटे को थोड़ा ग्रीस करना है सो दैट आटा हमारा सॉफ्ट रहे. Now we will cover this dough with a moist cloth and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, दाल हमारी अच्छे से ठंडी हो चुकी है. अब हम इसको एक मिक्सिंग जार में शिफ्ट कर देंगे. दाल को हमें अच्छे से ग्राइंड करना है उसको पाउडर फॉर्म में लाने के लिए. ये देखिए दाल का पाउडर बना लिया है हमने. अब इस पाउडर को हम एक कढ़ाई में शिफ्ट कर देंगे. And we will add some spices to it. Start by adding a pinch of hing, two teaspoons sauf crushed, now we will add half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, that is haldi, half teaspoon garam masala. This is optional, garam masala is optional. Half teaspoon dry mango powder and salt as per taste. And now we will mix all these spices uniformly in the powder. So now we will add water little by little till we get a mud like texture. Now you can see our moong dal stuffing for the kachori is ready. For frying the kachori, take a thick bottom pan and add 2 bowls of oil in it. Keep the gas on the medium flame. And let's check the dough. It is ready. Take a small lemon-sized ball of the dough, flatten it with the help of both the thumbs and start pressing the edges and create a dent in the center. You can also flatten it with the rolling pin. Now add 1 tablespoon of moong dal stuffing in it. Adjust together and close the top by pressing and flattening it, and we can remove the extra dough. This is the extra dough. I am removing it here. Gently press and flatten to form a puri size. See, this is how your kachori should look like. I will check the oil and it should be medium hot. I'll just drop a pinch of dough in it to see if it is ready. Now it is good to fry the kachoris, and I will gently add the kachori from side and deep fry it. Turn around and fry the kachori till golden brown all over. You can see, guys, our soft crispy moong dal kachori is ready, and we will remove it over a paper so that extra oil will be drained off. Friends, our dal kachori is ready, and I have served it with nariyal and lal mirch ki chutney. You can visit the description of this video for link for nariyal and lal mirch chutney video. I hope you will enjoy this recipe with your loved ones. Do send me your comments. Happy cooking! Press the like button and the bell icon to get updates on all my new videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.